What if I built the biggest furniture manufacturing company in Africa? In order to do that, you have to understand how the ultra wealthy actually think. Not very long ago, I was walking through a newly completed luxury apartment building in Ikoyi with a prominent developer. Now, he was showing me and a prospective buyer around the penthouse unit with a price tag of over £500 million. Yes, I said it, £500 million. He was incredibly proud of the foundation, the concrete, the imported structural steel that went into the construction of this building. But as we walked into the master suite, I watched his prospective buyer, a high net worth individual and investor that I know personally myself, do something that was rather telling. He wasn't interested in the conversation about the foundation and, the structural integrity of the building. Instead, he walked straight over to the walk-in wardrobe and pulled the doors open. A track got caught and made a slight scraping sound. I stood there and I waited to see his face. Then I looked at the integrated upholstered headboards that we were standing near and noticed a slightly wavy seam line where the fabric met the timber panels. I watched quietly. I watched this buyer's face change instantly. In less than 30 seconds, those tiny micro failures completely devalued the entire building in his mind. In situations like that, it's very probable to assume that if the joinery was rushed, the plumbing and electrical work behind the walls were probably rushed too. Now, we don't know for sure, but human psychology tells you that that's just the normal human thinking. That is the psychology trap of luxury development. You aren't just buying beds, wardrobes, or kitchen cabinets. You are purchasing flawless tactile touch points that validate your premium asking price. Our factory floor uses precise CNC machinery and industrial edge banders to achieve perfectly aligned borders, heavy structural tolerances, and completely silent, smooth drawer operations. We build the silent details that give buyers a confidence to sign the check. So stop letting poorly finished joinery devalue your real estate projects. We see it far too often. And if you are developing a premium unit in Lagos, Abuja, or wherever else in Nigeria or abroad, send us a DM to schedule a project call. Let's look at how we build the details that closes your sales.